Does your home's exterior feel more like a blank wall than a welcoming statement? You're not alone. Many homeowners overlook siding styles, especially board and batten, because they think it's too traditional or too trendy. But here's the truth. Board and batten is one of the most versatile, character-boosting design choices you can make. With just a few smart updates, your exterior can feel bold, fresh, and full of personality. Whether you're after a farmhouse look, a modern retreat, or a rustic hideaway, board and batten works in every style. In today's video, I'll show you 5 ways to reimagine your outdoor space with board and batten siding. Vertical panel designs that make homes look taller. Color schemes and contrasts for bold curb appeal, mixed with stone or brick for texture and balance. Trim and accent features that pull everything together. And modern versus rustic styles. 2 approaches, endless charm. Stick around, because the last idea could completely change the way you think about your home style. Subscribe for weekly design makeovers and drop a if you're ready to give your exterior a glow up.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Vertical panel designs. Let's kick off with vertical panel designs, the backbone of board and batten. By using vertical lines, you draw the eye upward, making even a single-story home appear taller and more refined. Take the Carter's bungalow. It looked squat and dated with old horizontal siding. But once they installed vertical panels in soft sage green, paired with crisp white battens, their home instantly felt taller and more polished. Tips to try: use wider battens for a bold, modern look. Go with narrow battens for a traditional farmhouse vibe. Run panels vertically only on upper gables or sections for subtle charm. Styling ideas. Pair vertical siding with wide porches. It emphasizes height and openness. Extend vertical siding across garage doors for a seamless effect. Add exterior lights on battens for evening drama. Why it works? Vertical panels create rhythm and balance. They bring dimension, draw attention upward, and make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Love the tall, clean look? Check out my vertical panel design guide in the description for layout diagrams and pro tips. color schemes, and contrasts. Next, let's talk color schemes and contrasts. Board and batten siding shines when paired with bold colors that highlight its vertical rhythm. The Parkers transformed their dull beige ranch into a stunner by painting it charcoal black with crisp white battens. Overnight, their home went from background to magazine-worthy. Meanwhile, their neighbors opted for deep navy with cedar accents, creating a cozy coastal vibe. Winning combos: classic, white siding with black trim; warm modern, dark green siding with wood battens; playful, light gray siding with soft blue trim. Tips to nail it: use high contrast for drama, black plus white. Go tone on tone for sophistication, dark blue plus navy trim. Add one natural accent, like wood shutters, for balance. Why it works: color highlights the battens and panels, making the texture pop. Contrasts add curb appeal and can even make smaller homes look more dynamic. Which scheme is your style? Classic contrast or warm wood tones? Drop your pick in the comment. Mixed with stone or brick? Another way to elevate board and batten is by pairing it with stone or brick. The textures complement each other beautifully. Smooth vertical lines meet rugged natural materials. For example, the Hughes family combined white board and batten with a stone-clad porch base. Not only did it ground the home visually, but it also added durability where kids and pets play. Another home paired olive green siding with warm red brick, creating an earthy, timeless charm. Ideas to try: use stone for porch columns or bases. Pair brick on the lower half with siding above. Accent an entryway with stacked stone for a grand welcome. Why it works? Mixing materials breaks up large walls and adds character. It's also practical. Stone resists wear at ground level, while siding keeps upper sections light and stylish. Want to see material pairings that boost resale value? Download my exterior material match guide, link in the description. So here's the big question: is your siding a flat background or the star of your home's design? With board and batten, you don't need a huge renovation to make a big impact. Just start with one of these 5 ideas: vertical panel designs, color schemes and contrasts, mixed with stone or brick, trim and accent features, modern versus rustic styles. Each one adds depth, character, and curb appeal, making your home feel as personal on the outside as it does inside. Even small updates, like painting trim or adding shutters, can completely transform how you and your neighbors see your home. Which idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe for weekly home design inspiration, makeover tips, and real-life transformations.